This is a 2025 Genesis GV70, and it's one of the easiest cars I've ever seen, no exaggeration, to change the air filter. Start by opening the hood. That's simply coming down here and pulling this. And then locate this box, make sure the car is off, and then with no tools whatsoever, find this lever, pull it up, go like that. Locate your air filter, find this tab that says pull, and then it slides right out. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description to purchase this filter. Take your brand new filter, have it facing up like this with the lip up top, and then just slide it in like an old school video game, and then close this back down.